Yeah, unfortunately, the one bad part is right here. That's a permanent marker.
Yeah.
You know, all the other stuff is coming off, it seems like. Or it's not that bad. All the other parts, we tried cleaning other parts of the tarp right now, and they're all pretty much wear spots. Yeah, get that spot. So, trying to just see if we can clean off as much as we can. What about over here, real quick? What's this part? Right here. See if we can get this off. And then right here, yeah. Oh, that's coming off. I think it's about as good as it's gonna get. All right, let's go ahead and spray it off. Yeah.
So you gonna put me in the movie, buddy?
Yeah. This is Hardy, everybody. Say hi.
Man, don't do that, man.
So we're just seeing what the pressure wash and all that other stuff that's over here can do. When I take it back to the house, I'll wash it off again, get all the soap off of it. So, yeah, pretty much it's in as good of a condition as I could have hoped it would be, except for this one spot right here where it has 20 feet 10 inches by 36 feet 6 inches beam, global Maker's Mark, Maker's Woo, April 27, 2009. They just wrote that on with a permanent marker. So, that's pretty, I'm just narrating the movie. So, yeah, looks pretty good. The edges, when they hemmed them, they're looking good. They cut it on one side and double stitch it. All right, man. I appreciate it. Here, I'll give you a